Hi everybody, welcome back to our Facebook page. This video is all about beautiful nail art design. Look how we are making small black dots. Now let's connect all these dots like this, and now we are going to give it a 3D shape like this. We are going to add more brown shade, and look, it is ready. We are going to give it a white touch, and look how beautiful this is looking. In this video we are going to make a beautiful nail art. Look how we are going to draw these beautiful black vertical and horizontal lines like this. We are going to make cross first, and then we are going to make a checkered pattern, and then we are going to make small dots on it. After that we are going to fill those gaps like this. Look how we are doing here. We are going to fill it and leaving one box like this, and look, it is ready, and look how pretty this is looking. In this video we are going to make beautiful nail art using white nail paint. First we are going to make the petals, so spread the white nail paint like this, and then we are going to put a layer of transparent nail polish on the top, and repeat the same process one after another like we are doing here. Finally we are going to apply the final coat, and your flowers are ready. Then we are going to add a beautiful pearl at the tip of the nail for more decoration, and it's done. Let's make beautiful nail art today. We are going to spread this white nail paint on the tip of the nail like we're doing here. Start making a beautiful rose flower. Now we are going to give it a shade look like this. We are making 2 rose flowers, and look, it's done. Make its beautiful leaves around it. We are also adding more decoration pieces like this stone, and look, your nail art is ready. Let's make nail art. So first spread this white paint. Now we are going to make this hexagon pattern on the tip of the nail like this. After this, start filling it on the alternate space like this. We are using black and green nail paint like this. Put a stone at the tip of it, and look, your nail art is ready. In this video, we are going to learn beautiful nail art design. Like we are spreading different nail polish on the top of nail like this. We are also mixing some color like this and spread it using this brush. Remove the color and again spread it like we are doing here. It will give a shiny look to the nail like this. Finally, we are going to spread this pink nail paint on the top of the nail like this. Now we are going to smudge the color like this. Apply this transparent nail paint on the top of it, and look, your nail art is ready. In this video we are going to make beautiful rose flower on the top of nail. Before that, spread white nail paint on the top of your nail and start making beautiful rose flowers. Use a thin brush like this and start spreading the paint like we are doing here. After this we are going to give a clean and nice touch to it like we are doing here. We are using this black nail paint paste balls on the top of it, and look, it is ready. Thank you so much for watching this video.